Hindi namin ni-recognize ang ICC kasi hindi natin membro. Hindi kami nagko-cooperate sa ICC. Anong ginawang rason ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos? Interpol! Bullshit! Interpol! Ako! Naging chief PNP ako! Alam ko ano ang papel ng Interpol sa mundo! Huwag niyo akong lukuhin! Commitment sa Interpol! Bullshit! Interpol!
Kaya dapat mag-subscribe muna kayo. Kasi, gusto ko lang. Bakit? May angal kayo? Well, after so long of an exposition, mukhang magkakatotoo na yata ang sinabi ni Trillanes kasi we just learned from our Ombudsman Remulla na maglalabas na ng warrant ang International Criminal Court laban kay Senator Bato de la Rosa.
I have it on good authority.
Oo.
Kasi public interest
Tama.
program to, that the ICC has issued a warrant against Senator Bato de la Rosa. I have it on good authority. Na may nakipag-usap sa akin kanina. Na kaya na-late ako, may binarita lang sa akin.
Nagtrabaho ka muna.
Trabaho muna.
Ayan na nga ang sweet 11 words na binigkas ni Ombudsman Boying Remulla. The ICC has issued a warrant against Senator Bato de la Rosa, and what's worse, may kopya raw siya. Mukhang masyadong excited ang ating Ombudsman Boying Remulla dahil ayon sa kanyang kapatid na si DILG Secretary Remulla, wala siyang alam doon, and even the Department of Justice na pinamunuan niya dati has said it explicitly na wala silang alam sa sinabi ng kanilang dating kalihim.
Yet, we have not seen nor received any copy of this ICC warrant of arrest. We are just reacting to what we heard over the weekend and what has been circulating online. As to the senators, to the good senator reaching out to us, also we have not received any, nor I don't think he will be making such a representation considering na wala pa. There's nothing to speak of. No ICC warrant.